Shall we start your speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your good name?
My name is Neha Bedi.
How may I address you?
You can call by my first name Neha.
Okay, Neha, tell me something about yourself.
I'm undergraduate student of BSc Food Science and Technology. I'm a bibliophile person. I love to kill time by reading books and listening to music.
Okay, so now we are shifting toward your introductory topic. Your question will be related to tea and coffee.
Okay.
First question is, do Indian people like to drink tea or coffee?
Well, it's depend upon person to person, as the many individuals love to drink tea as well as coffee also.
Okay, so do you prepare tea or coffee for guests at home?
Yes, most of the times whenever my mother is not at home, I love to prepare tea for my guest.
When was the last time you drank tea or coffee?
The last time that I drink tea and coffee is since my morning, and that time when I wake up, I firstly wash my face and then drink tea.
Okay, so now your another question will be on smile. Do you always smile?
Well, not always, but in some situations when I find it quite funny, or often when I see some person whom I like, I used to smile.
Okay, do you like smiling?
Not all the time, but on various situations I like to smile on different occasions also.
Okay, so according to you, should people smile more?
Well, I think that people should smile on when meeting to someone, as it creates a good impact on other person. And another difference is that people should smile on whenever they meet someone.
Okay, do you smile while taking photographs?
Yes, I usually smile while taking photographs because it's create a picture more beautiful and memorable.
Okay, so now we are shifting toward your record, and here is your record. Describe a time when you observed the stars. When you observed the stars, where and with whom you went, and what you observed, and explain how you felt when you saw the stars. Okay, now you have exact 1 minute to prepare it. After that, you have to speak for 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Okay, Bache, start speaking.
Well, stars are the beautiful creations of God, and here I am going to talk about a time that I have observed the stars very deeply. I vividly remember that last year when my cousins were at my home for a family function. At that time, suddenly the light was gone. We were bored from the flu because the family function was at the mid. So we all decided to shift our beds to the roof, and we tried to sleep on the roof. So moreover, when we slept on the roof, we observed that there are galaxies of stars we are surrounded by, and then we tried to count the stars, but we are unable, because there are lots of stars in the sky, and that time I observed that one star is very much brightening, and I told my cousins that this star is actually a solar system. Apart from this, we observed many galaxies, and we talk about the science, that our science teacher told that the stars are made up of gases, as well as there is no oxygen in the universe. Apart from this, we all cousins enjoyed the stars, and enjoyed the watching stars and observed it deeply.
Okay, so now we are shifting toward your follow-up question. Can you please give me the paper? So your first question is, why do people like to study the sky?
There are lots of things that are in the universe that most of the scientists try to find it on, and there are lots of studies going through related to the universe.
Okay, so do you know any story related to the planets?
The story related to the planets, I have read in a science lecture that our teacher told that there are lots of planets that revolve around the sun, and the sun gives a attraction towards all the planets that help them to move.
Okay, so do you think children should be told planet stories to improve their imagination?
Yes, I think that children should be taught stories and fictional movies to improve their imaginations related to the stars, because it helps them to imagine beyond their limits and help to improve their imagination power.
Okay, so would you like to watch movies on planets?
If I haven't watched yet, but if I ever get a chance, I will never miss the boat,
Why you want to watch them?
because it's quite fascinating about, because it tells about it's give a relaxation calm effect to the eyes also, because sky seems to be at night sky seems to be very calm, and this moving of stars make it more beautiful.
Okay, so Neha, I'm done with your speaking. It was quite good. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.